In this video, I will show you how to activate Windows 10. First, make sure you are on your desktop. Then move to the bottom of the screen and click the search button on your taskbar. In the search bar, type Settings and open the Settings application. Once it opens, select the System option at the top, then scroll all the way down and click on About. Here you will see your Windows activation status. If your Windows is not activated, you will see red text saying that Windows isn't activated. Next, click on Change Product Key or upgrade your edition of Windows. Wait for the page to load, then select Change Product Key. Now enter the product key that you purchased from a trusted website such as Amazon, eBay, or another authorized seller. Paste the key into the box, click Next, and follow the instructions. After that, your Windows will be successfully activated. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to our channel.